Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Honda VTX1300C. This is the big V-Twin, liquid cooled. It's got a lot of nice touring accessories, including those running lights, quick release windscreen. You got your engine guards, floorboards, the ultimate saddle with a rider backrest and a passenger backrest, Viking saddlebags. This shaft drive VTX 1300 just arrived with 26,000 miles on the engine. Runs beautiful, silver metallic. Come on by, make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true for just $59.99. You gotta be kidding me. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.